Welcome to EPG Pathshala. Our module for today is module 18, Data Communication and Networking. Computers are very important in our daily life. Computers help us in data sharing and communication. Computers help us to get connected to the world around. When we talk about communication, we talk about a receiver and a sender for the message. The data is transmitted from one point to another point anywhere in this world. There is a perfect exchange between the data only if it is transmitted through the right channel. Data can be communicated through different medium or through different channels. Data communication and networking system can be transmitted, can be enhanced through communication technologies, communication technology applications, communication networks, communication channels, communication devices. So, today we shall see what are the learning objectives for this module. The learning outcomes for this module is to understand the meaning of data communication, to be aware of the various components of data communication, to understand the transmission of data on the basis of communication technologies, to understand the transmission of data of communication technology applications, to understand the transmission of data on the basis of communication devices, to understand the transmission of data on the basis of communication channels, to understand the transmission of data on the basis of communication network types. Meaning of data communication. When we communicate, we are sharing information. This information can be to local or to remote areas between individuals. Local communication usually covers face to face, while remote communication takes place over a distance. Data communication is the exchange of data between two devices via some form of transmission media. Data communication is considered local if the communicating devices are in the same building or a similarly restricted geographical area, and is considered remote if the devices are far apart. For data communication to occur, the communicating devices must be a part of the communication system made up of combination of hardware and software. The effectiveness of a data communication system depends on three fundamental features: delivery, accuracy, timeliness. The system must be a delivery data to the correct destination. Data must be received by the intended device or user and only by that device or user. Accuracy. The system must be delivery data accurately. Data that can be altered and left uncorrected are unusable. Timeliness. The system must deliver data in a timely manner. Data delivered late are useless. In the case of audio, video and voice data, timely delivery means delivering data that are produced in the same order that they are produced and without significant delay. Components of data communication. A data communication system has 5 components as shown here. First, message. The message is the information or data to be communicated. It consists of text, numbers, pictures, sound or video or any other combination of these. Second, sender. The sender is the device that ends the data message. It can be computer, workstation, telephone, handset, video camera and so on. Third, receiver. The receiver is a device that receives the message. It can be a computer, workstation, telephone, handset, television and so on. Transmission medium. The transmission medium is the physical path by which a message travels from sender to the receiver. It can consist of twisted wire cable, coaxial cable, fiber optical cable, laser or radio waves. Protocol. A protocol is a set of rules that govern data communication. It represents an agreement between the communication, just as a person speaking French cannot be understood by a person who speaks Chinese. Data representation. Data is a set of raw facts which is developed to turn up the accurate information. There may be a different structure in which data may be symbolized. Some of these forms of data used in communication are as follows. First, text. Text contains arrangement of alphabets in small case as well as uppercase. It is accumulated as a pattern of bits. The common encoding system are A, S, C, I, Unicode. Numbers. Numbers contain arrangements of digits from 0 to 9. It is stored as a pattern of bits. The common coding system are A, S, C, I, or Unicode. Images. An image signifies 1,000 words. In computers, images are digitally stored up. Pixel. A pixel is the least part of an image. The pixels signify the form of bits. Based upon the type of the image, black and white or color, each pixel would require different number of bits to categorize the value of a pixel. Audio. Data can be in the form of sound, which can be recorded and transmitted. Example, the sound we hear on the radio is a basis of data or information. Video. Video refers to showing of data in the form of picture or movie. Transmission of data based on communication technologies. We can communicate with other devices by sending and receiving data. The data passes through the following devices: simplex, half duplex or full duplex. First one, simplex. In simplex mode of data communication, the data is passed is one directional, like a one-way road. The data is communicated, and for the communication only one of the two stations on a link can convey the data at that time. The other station can only receive the data. Keyboards and traditional monitors are both examples of simple devices. Half duplex. In a half duplex mode of data communication, the data can be passed from each of the station. The data can be received and broadcasted, but not at the same time. In this type of data communication, only one device can send message at a single time. At the other time, the other device is only receiving the message. The half duplex mode is like one lane road with traffic allowed in both directions. In this type of communication, when the cars are going in one direction, the cars from the other direction has to wait. Full duplex. In full duplex mode of data communication, the data can be broadcasted and received at the same time. The full duplex mode is like a two-way road with traffic running in both directions at the same time. In full duplex mode, signals moving in one direction share the link with the signals moving in the other direction. And since the sharing happens in two ways, one common example of full duplex communication is the telephone network. Next, transmission of data based on communication technology applications. We have electronic mail. Email is an electronic mail. The messages are sent electronically through a network. The basic requirement for sending and receiving an email is that the user must have an email address. Using email requires creating mailbox with an email service provider. The mailbox is protected with a username and a password. Instant messaging. Instant messaging is more on real-time online communication between two users. It is also possible to send attachment as files. there is instant communication that is seen in instant messaging. The VoIP, that is Voice over Internet Protocol, has been developed for voice telephonic services in computer networks and on the internet. There are service providers offering to replace regular telephones and phone lines with VoIP technology. RSS, really simply syndication, performs the function of delivering the content of a website in the form of short description. The entire content can be accessed by clicking on the links. RSS content on a website is indicated by a special browser icon or graphical image on the site. Blog. When a user or an organization posts information on a particular topic in an internet site, that particular internet site is called as a blog. Information can be posted as the views on the topic by the people who are a part of the blog and also visitors to the blog. Access to editing and creation of the blog's content is protected with a username and password. Podcast. Podcasting is the process of downloading the audio files that are prepared specially and are published on the internet and listening to them on a portable media player. Podcasts generally comprise of series of audio files. Virtual communities. A virtual community is a social online network created by using the internet devices and technologies. One has to be registered to this particular website to access these services. Example: online chat rooms, online multiplayer games, social networking services like the Facebook with many features helping the users to post information, upload videos and publish photographs. Transmission of data on the basis of communication devices. Data is transmitted between two digital devices on the network in the form of bits. Transmission mode refers to the mode used for transmitting the data. The transmission medium may be capable of sending only a single bit in 1 unit time or multiple bits in 1 unit time. When a single bit is transmitted in unit time, the transmission mode used is serial transmission, and when multiple bits are sent in unit time, the transmission mode is called as parallel transmission. Based on transmission technology, computer networks can be broadly categorized in two types based on transmission technologies: broadcast networks and point-to-point networks. A broadcast network. When a single communication channel is shared by all the machine, then it is called as broadcast networking. A broadcast network is a combination of services that provides live or recorded content such as movies, newscast, sports and public affairs program that can be transmitted over a group of radio or television stations. Point-to-point networks. When a communication has an end device and the networks are based on point-to-point communication, such a network stations are called as stations. The switching devices are called as nodes. These are nodes that are connected to each other and others are attached to the same stations. These switching nodes have no concern with the contents of the data. Their function is to provide a switching facility that will allow data to move from one node to another till they reach the destination. Their function is to provide a switching facility that will allow data to move from one node to another till they reach the destination. Based on communication devices. A hardware device is that which is capable of communicating a digital signal from the telephone, the communication wire or by a wireless mode. A striking example of a communication device is a computer modem, which allows sending and receiving signals for interacting with other computers through the telephone. Wi-Fi devices, network interface card acts as a good communication device. The different types of communication devices are Bluetooth. Bluetooth is the capacity to connect a computer to a mobile without any wires or special connectors. Modem. Modem is the hardware device that facilitates a computer to convey information over a telephone by exchanging the digital data to be made by use of the computer into a signal used on phone lines and then reconverting it into a receiving end. Router. A router is a smart device that can direct subnets jointly. Routers are also used transversely to transfer the data across the world. Hub. A hub is a non-clever device. It sends messages from one port to all the ports at one time, even if it is not requested. Switch. A switch is a clever device. It transmits data from one to the other port which is demanded. This is quicker and more safer device to use. Network interface card. This is a device which is linked to a user's computer that allows them to join to other computers and to a device. Servers. A server is used in a network to provide the users of a network with many features. Transmission of data on the basis of communication channels. Transmission media can be made clear as the physical passageway between transmitter and receiver in a data transmission system. Guided media. Transmission ability depends vitally on the medium, the length, and if the medium is point to point or multi-point, then it could be, the examples are coaxial, twisted, pair or optical fiber. Unguided or wireless transmission medium. It offers a way for broadcasting electromagnetic signals but do not direct them. Example, wireless transmission. A network comprises of two or more computers that are connected to share resources such as printers and CDs, replace files or permit electronic communications. The computers on a network may be connected through cables, telephone lines, radio waves, satellites or infrared light beams. Transmission of data on the basis of network types. A network comprises of two or more computers that are connected to share resources such as printers and CDs, replace files or permit electronic communication. The computers on a network may be connected through cables, telephone lines, radio waves and satellites. The transmission of data based on the network types depends on first LAN, that is Local Area Network, LAN. A local area network is a collection of computers linked to each other in a small area. The LANs are located in a building or a campus. The LAN has the following features. Data transmit at a high rate. The physical area covered by network is restricted. The resources are joined with different methods. A LAN structure consists of many personal computer terminals, but a universal control terminal that controls this network known as the server. WAN, Wide Area Network, WAN. WAN has a larger coverage area. The locations are extremely high in number, hence named as WAN. WAN is able of covering the entire country or state for interactions. The railway reservation system, the airline reservation systems are examples of WAN. The WAN has these following features. The area enclosed is very big. The data transmit is slow in comparison to the LAN. The link media is normally a telephone line to be linked to the LAN. MAN, M-A-N, Metropolitan Area Network. The network smaller to WAN and larger to LAN is recognized as MAN, M-A-N, Metropolitan Area Network. It is also a medium-sized network, and model of MAN is a cable network inside a city. Cable network is getting TV programs from the satellite and it transmits to numerous users. Internet. The Internet is an organization of associated networks that are universal in scale and assist data communication services such as remote login, file transfer, email, World Wide Web and news groups. With the soaring demand for connectivity, the Internet has become an interaction highway for millions of users. Intranet. With the progress in the Internet, many private groups are executing intranets. An intranet is a private network make use of Internet type tools, but accessible only in that organization. For bigger organization, an intranet offers an easy access means to business information for its employees. VPN, Virtual Private Network. VPN uses a system known as channeling to transmit the data steadily on the Internet to a distant access server in your place of work system. Using a VPN assists you economically by using the open Internet as a substitute to long distance phone calls to join strongly with your private network. There are two ways to create a VPN connection: by dialing an Internet service provider or linking directly to the Internet. Let's sum up. We come to the end of this module. This module gives you an oversight of or an overview of data communication and networking system. Communication is extremely useful for each one of us. Communication helps us in knowledge sharing, information and transmission of data. Data can be transmitted from different channels and different mediums. This module gives us an overview of the different ways of communication technologies, the communication technology application, the communication channels, the communication devices and the communication network size. Communication is effective only when the two mediums, the 2 points that is being communicated, that is the receiver and the sender, are on the same context. Hence, for a better communication, it is important that we have a better data networking and communication system.